Hey, and thank you so much for joining me in today's Take 5 Art collab video. Today I am not doing anything in any of my journals because I had this awesome idea for a piece that I wanted to create and I just wanted to really create it, so on a piece of paper making art instead of only art journaling. I don't know, this might turn out great, this might turn out awful, but we're just gonna dive into it. The prompts for this month's Take 5 Art Challenge are watercolor, galaxy, stamping, sparkle, and stickers. And I'm going to use that to create this. Well, at least that is my concept that I came up with. So I have my water here, and with a big brush I am just going to wet my paper. And I'm already seeing that this paper does not take to water well. So I might change to a different paper. So this is actually aquarelle paper, so watercolor paper. And I does one call it aquarelle in English, or is it always watercolor? Coffee. Let's get started again. Don't dip your water brush in your coffee. I've made that mistake, don't do it. I think every artist ever does this once in their lifetime. The reason I picked that other paper was because I really wanted the piece to be a little bit bigger, but I can get behind the size as well. And I also don't really like this paper, but it's the best for watercolor that I have handy right now. What is this from? See, even this paper doesn't take to water well, and it's meant to be watercolor paper. Oh well. So while that's wet, I'm going to create my watercolor galaxy. And I swatched out my paints because I always forget which paints I own. And these are the colors, ooh, still wet. These are the colors I used to create this purple galaxy thing. And I'm just going to take a bigger brush, wet a lot of that. Put splotches everywhere. See, this paper also doesn't take to water well. Am I using the wrong side? I mean, even my sketchbook doesn't do that weird discoloration thing. See, even it lifts the paper. Okay, nope. I really don't like this paper. No, I really want this to turn out well, so nope. Okay, again. Back to the big size. Okay, we're starting over. And because I have blue on here now, that's okay. We're just going to splotch this on there. This brush is just a cheap paintbrush I got from the Action. Okay. The only paper I actually like is the one in my sketchbook. We're just going to make art in my sketchbook, that's okay. Everything's fine, I'm fine. It's not what I planned on doing, but it's okay. This will crinkle so much, but it's the only paper that doesn't do that weird. Oh, but that works so much better. If you are a watercolor artist, please let me know what paper I should use, because I have no clue. I'm not a watercolor artist, I just use watercolor for things like this. And I really want to get into watercolor a bit more. I use it as an accent thing for most of my art that I create. I know a lot about acrylics. Well, know a lot is a big term, but I used a lot of acrylics in my young adulthood, childhood. Fun fact, I actually went to a preschool? Duh. No, a pre-art school. I don't know how to call it. But I went to pre-art school. Could have gone to art school. Okay, I noticed I wanted to go way too fast, so I decided to pick up some of that color, or most of the color, and let this dry. Should I let it dry? I should let it dry. I should let it dry. You should let it dry. And if you're wondering what colors I'm using, I honestly have no idea anymore. I used to have a Van Gogh. Why did I say? Oh my gosh, why? Everybody always mispronounces Van Gogh, and I'm Dutch myself, but because I've been watching so many YouTube videos, I've started calling it Van Gogh. Or I don't know how other people pronounce it, but I can just say it how it's meant to be spoken, which is... Why do I do that? Words. Why do I do that? Anyways, I used to have a Van Gogh. See? I just did it again. Van Gogh watercolor palette. It just sounds weird talking both Dutch and English at the same time. But since then I have added some different... I can't paint and talk at the same time. It's weird. And what I really want to do is add some sparkle now. So taking this, I don't know whether that has color on it. Okay, let's just load on the sparkle or shimmer. I love this paint so much. It's not really visible right now, but it's so shiny and sparkly and I just love it. Okay. Impatient me has to let this dry, so I will see you when I'm back. So it's still not completely dry, but I really wanted to show you the sheen or shimmer. If it doesn't show on camera that much, it's so pretty in real life. So pretty! So pretty! Okay, it's still not dry, so I really need to let this dry. I really want to continue. I'm so... Ooh, we could continue on the rose. Let's draw the rose. Let's reveal my secret on how I wanted to do that. So these are basically label stickers. And my plan is to take one of these sheets, draw a rose, cut it out, if the sheet will come out. Draw a rose, cut it out, and then stick it on my finished galaxy. So, yeah. Let's draw a rose. I need an example for that, so, and the one I wanted to use is in my sketchbook. Eek, error. Let's just look up a rose on Pinterest. So I am using a 0.3 Unipin fine liner, and I really like these because they don't pick up water once dry, and that's really something you need. Well, something I need because I use a lot of water-based products. For the look I'm going for, I'm going to outline the entire rose with a thicker line because, I don't know, I just really like the effect that gave in my sketchbook. And in my sketchbook I used a Tombow pen, like the bullet nib, to outline, but then I added acrylics around it and it started bleeding. because of course the bambos are water-based. So for this piece I'm choosing to do it with fine liner because I don't have a black non-bleeding thicker marker. I don't think, at least. You would think that after filming for over a year I would know that I have to have scissors handy always and to prepare properly before my videos, but there's always something that I forget. Everything is closed, so it's not a problem. It's not a problem anymore. I'm so sorry. If you got that Troom reference, I like you already. If you didn't, you should go watch Simply Nail Logical more often. There we go, we have my rose sticker. Let's see if this is dry. It's still very, very wet. Okay, no. Let's check on the prompts first, okay? We have watercolor galaxy. Stamping is what we're missing because we have sparkle and stickers. And for stamping, I have this beautiful stamp. No idea. I think it was AliExpress where I got it. And I plan on using only the starry parts. So what I will do is I will color. Definitely AliExpress because it's coming loose already. What I will do is I will color in the stars with some white acrylics. I have a very big packet of small acrylics, but I've used all my white, so now I bought a big one by Art Creation, and I kind of like Art Creation. It's not very good quality, but it's not bad quality. I recently went through all my acrylics and swatched them again because I've added so much to my stash, and some have gone bad, the cheaper ones mostly. So I had to switch them out. And I just hope that this acrylic will stay visible. Okay, I give up. I have checked off the prompt stamping, I think, but I'm going to paint on some bigger stars. And this also gives the illusion of sparkle, right? Do I need to add glitters? I don't want to add glitters. I'm not going to add glitter. I think shimmer is also... Oh, it's shimmer. Eh? That's enough. Okay, how am I going to do this? I don't want to ruin it. Okay. I have no idea if that is the right position, but we're gonna go with it. Rolling up my sleeves. Okay. This is really testing my steadfastness. Oh, that works! It works! It actually works. Okay. If your expectations are low, you will make art that you like. Because it will always turn out better than you thought. I don't know if that's the best advice. I have very low self-esteem, in case you didn't know yet. So maybe don't take my advice. Okay, maybe wait with sticking on your stickers until your wet paint is dry, but I'm too excited. It looks so good. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. Oh. Shoot, I'm missing a piece. Where did it go? Did you see it on screen and I'm just blind? Oh, there. Got it. Oh my gosh, it looks It looks good. It actually looks good. I guess that's it. Maybe, do I want to fine tune? And done. Oh my gosh. Okay, it was frustrating at times and scary to put on the sticker. I absolutely love how this turned out. There you go. My galaxy rose in my sketchbook, not my art journal, for the Take 5 art challenge of this month. If you make something with these prompts, don't forget to use the hashtag Take5Art, and if you film yourself doing so and put it on YouTube, just please send it to one of us. Everybody who is in the collab group is linked down below, and if you tag us we can see what you create, and I love seeing those creations because you are all so creative. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I really did. I didn't expect it to turn out as well, but yeah. If you liked it, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you want to see more, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Bye!